Hi, this is Looking Good Apartments Pro today with 2013 Toyota 86 .16865. It's ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. The FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left hand taillight has sun cracks. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right hand taillight has sun cracks. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel bit tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard, less cover. Right front aftermarket 18-inch wheel bit tyre. Right front door cone. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Aftermarket touchscreen stereo mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,